Hi everyone, welcome back to Rohan Develops. This is Rohan Ramprasad and you're watching Rohan Develops, where we innovate things and build things. And as you all know that I am a Google Student Ambassador and I have made lots of videos on this particular thing, Google Student Ambassador. So if you are a Google Student Ambassador or want to become or have interest around this domain, consider subscribing to my channel and do comment your doubts. I will clear all your doubts regarding Google Student Ambassador. So today's video is again going to be on Google Student Ambassador. So as you all know that I have been selected at the 2026 cohort for my campus to represent Google Gemini at my campus. So what exactly it is and what's all the thing, as you have read the title and the thumbnail also suggests, and you know that what this video is going to be about. So before I reveal that, let me give you a short breakdown. So as you all know that I have made lots of videos on Google Student Ambassador. So when I got enrolled, you have to perform different types of tasks for this Google thing. You have been assigned a mentor, and that mentor will assign different types of tasks on your student portal, like product trials and different types of things you have to do or perform it, and based on that you have to submit it with proofs, and based on that verification, after getting it verified, and if it is legit, you will be assigned some score or points. Out of 300 you will be getting 100, 150, 200, and based on 300 out of 300 if it is actually very much perfect. So that thing I have completed many tasks regarding it, and my current score is 850, and there are a lot of breakdowns, like if you cover the 600 points you will be getting some swags, e-vouchers and many things. If you complete 1200 points, 1800 points, and based on those points you will be assigned a medal, or you can say a rank. So the first rank is the bronze, the explorer rank, and you guessed it right that I have got this. This is a Google Student Ambassador bronze explorer, if you can see it over here. Yeah, so this thing is the medal regarding the bronze, the explorer. This is the first medal which you get if you complete a certain level of points, which is 600, and current point is my 850. So what you exactly get in this, it is a premium thing, and let's unbox what exactly it is. And along with this I have also got a 500 rupees voucher, e-voucher of Amazon, which I can purchase. So yeah, if you are thinking that this thing is an unpaid internship kind of by Google, it's not. You, in an unpaid internship, you do not get such kind of things like the swags, bags, keychains, the t-shirts, and if you have not seen the welcome kit video, everything is covered in that. You get lots of benefits based on your performance, stipends and incentives and many things. So yeah, 500 rupees you are getting, and it gets increased, like highest is the 5001. You get phone pixel phone by Google, and pixel buds, lots more are there. You can just surf it and just explore it yourself also, right? So this video is going to be unboxing of my this stuff, which is the bronze, the explorer one, which is given by Team Gemini for the Google Student Ambassador. So let me unbox this one. Actually I received it yesterday, but I was not feeling good, so yeah, I cannot make a video, so I thought let's make it today. So yeah, can you see it? Yeah, so it has came in a box, and it is very much premium related box, black painted one, and it gives a nice finishing look of the bronze, the explorer one, this thing, if you can see, and Team Gemini logo and Google Student Ambassador. So yeah, let me unbox it, and yeah, this thing. Yeah, so these two things, I would say three things, including that Amazon 500 rupees Amazon voucher, and these are the stuffs which I have got as Google Student Ambassador for clearing the first round. This is my first medal. Instead of medals they provide such kind of swags. So yeah, I have got this Google Student Ambassador pen. Yeah, and let me tell you, it's a nice quality one, right? And this stuff, which is Team Gemini, a premium diary of Team Gemini. Let me show you exactly what it is. Yep, it's kind of very much single line stuff. Yeah, I love diaries. So yeah, thank you Google and Team Gemini for this premium gift and this one and this Amazon voucher. Let me pack it off. This thing which you get, like most of the peoples are thinking that such kind of stuffs are you get around just by buying it also, but let me tell you that Google products are not such kind of things which you buy. Even if it is a low value thing which is being gifted by an organization to you, that means a lot. So don't focus on others. This is actually good thing. It appreciates your work and lot more things. So yeah, so this video is about this unboxing and you have seen it, and if you have not checked out my previous videos regarding unboxing of my welcome kit and different types of things, my contract submission round, video submission, how I cracked the video round, how I got selected as Google Student Ambassador, everything I have made in the video. If you have not checked it out, just check it out. And lot more things are coming up forward, and if you are a Google Student Ambassador, then you should definitely subscribe to my channel. Even if you are not, or if you are in the waiting list or stuck in some other round, I have a good news for you which will be coming after this video. So just stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be making one more video regarding good news for every student ambassador or every student who has applied in the previous months for this position and not got selected. There's a good news for you. Should I give you a glimpse of it? Alright, so I'm talking about the phase 2. That's all I would say. Everything will be covered in the next video. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and we make amazing contents related to tech stuffs, different types of case studies, student life, as I am a student, and lot more stuffs will be coming up forward. If you are interested in GATE related tutorials, stuffs, tips and tricks, everything related to GATE, I'll be making it. So make sure you subscribe if you are GATE aspirant or want to pursue MTech in your future. So yeah, that's all from my side. This is Rohan Ramprasad. Subscribe to my channel if you like it, and keep growing, keep building, keep developing, because we are developers. That's why you are here. Rohan Develops. This is Rohan Ramprasad signing off. See you next time.